even after getting that rest, even after getting that B team that we played against Leicester, and we fucked. Okay, we fucked that game. Whatever, everyone moved past it. So you would expect our first team to perform and beat these assholes. Yeah, you would expect them to beat these, but no, that's too difficult to do, isn't it? It's too difficult. It's too fucking difficult. So we have this tradition, okay, that always the opposition scores on us and then we win the game. We did the opposite today. We did the absolute opposite. We went into the game, we scored first. Within 20 minutes, they scored. And at before halftime, they bloody scored another one. Why? Because our man marking is shit. I'll get into it, wait. This lineup was arguably the best lineup that we have played this season, okay? Without Maguire. That McFred, I don't know what Ole is doing, but he's still playing them. Okay, whatever, we are still going on with it. Okay, the usual bullshit. We are going on. The game starts. Wonderfully it starts. Okay, we get the goal. We are passing brilliantly. We could have gotten a second goal also, but we didn't take it. Okay, whatever. Unlucky. And then in an instant, like Thanos snapping his fingers, we shut off. And they get the goal. Okay? So, okay, fine. Even they get the goal. It's fine. They momentary lapse of concentration by Lindelof, Pogba, all of these players, what they were doing at the back. I don't know what chai time they were doing, but they sat. Okay? They got the goal. And then out of nowhere, they got another goal. And I'm thinking, what the hell is Pogba doing? You were supposed to mark bloody Firmino. You were supposed to mark. You are falling at his feet. Is he your God? Are you doing namaste? What the hell are you doing? You are supposed to mark him. Just put your body on the line. Throw him down. Do something. You're falling at his feet. How stupid do you have to be? To do that? And you would think second half we would come out strong. Okay, we would come out stronger. But no. This is United. We concede another one. Bollocks, absolute bollocks of a defense and midfield. Absolute bollocks, I'm telling you. That Fred should be sold immediately. Like I've said before, he does not bring anything to the table. Anything. Okay, anything. He can't shoot, he can't pass, he can't defend, he can't do shit. After he got substituted, the game improved for us. After he got substituted and Greenwood came on. That says everything. After that Rashford goal, our attack has never been the problem. Bruno, Cavani, Rashford, Greenwood, all these players do their job. Okay, they do their job. Rashford was off today, but he's been off a while now. Okay, he should have never started also this game. I know he scored a goal, but Greenwood should have played in his place. I don't know what Ole is doing and benching a 19 or 18-year-old now. He was brilliant in that Leicester game. Why the fuck did you start him? Why the hell wasn't he starting today? He came on and we scored that goal. Ole. I don't know. Ole out? Yeah, maybe. I know you got us to our semi-final, but that was individual performances. You take out Cavani and Bruno out of that equation. Kallas. Everything is finished. Okay? And they got the cherry on the icing also. That expired garam masala also scored on us and went. At our home. How humiliating that is. How humiliating. Really, guys, Liverpool this season, you should not be losing to. You should never be losing to Liverpool this season. I can understand last season when they were playing good. But this season, how? Why? What? Why the hell did we let ourselves go? From that goal, we have been sitting back. Telling them, come, we are giving you 3 points. Get into the UCL. Exactly, this is the Robin Hood mentality that people are talking about. Okay, we take points from the top teams and we give it to the third class people. Just pathetic performance, pathetic. Really, I came with anticipation and hope during this game that thinking we will at least, worst case scenario, we'll get a draw. I didn't expect to lose 4-2. 4-2 to these assholes. Man of the match? Really? Who? Why? Maybe Bruno. Other than that, no one has played good. No one. Yeah, I can't blame Cavani. He didn't get enough balls also. Maybe that one mistake he did, but I can't blame him entirely. It's not his fault. Our midfield and our defense is so shit that our attacking players are being are suffering for it. It's not their fault. Our attack is flawless. I always say that. It's our midfield and defense that always cost us. This transfer window, man, we really, really need a good CDM. Really a good CDM and a good right winger, because Rashford, you can't always depend on him. You saw today's game. He was off. He was off for the full game. That goal he scored, other than that full game, he's been off. Full game. Fred, Pogba, Rashford. Today these people were absolute crap. They did not look like Manchester United players. Zero they look like. Zero. Absolute zero players. Take a long, hard look in the mirror, you guys. Really. This is not how Manchester United this season is supposed to play. I can't believe we are second in the league with this performance. With this kind of performance. How? And we beat City also. Unbelievable. Really unbelievable. Pathetic is all I can say. Losing to Liverpool. This season ka Liverpool. It's time to die, I guess. It's time to die.